Good morning. It is about 10 to 7 Pacific time on Monday, April 8th. What you're looking at here is the Jigsaw daytradr platform. For those of you that don't know, you will not find charts here on these videos. It's all just order book, price ladders, and this is what you're looking at here. There are 5 products displayed from left to right. It's the Ultra Bond. It's the symbol UB. This is moving from left to right. And then the next product is the ZB, which is a 30-year bond. CF, which is the 5-year. ZN, which is the 10-year. And then all the way over here on the right is the ES, which is the S&P, the E-mini, S&P 500. So if you want to know more about this platform, I would suggest Googling Jigsaw daytradr or just looking at some of their, go to their YouTube channel. That's probably the best way to, or go to their website even. It's probably the best way to find out more information. Let's see here. Today is Monday. I think I already mentioned that, but it feels like a Monday. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Mine was way too short. But hey, we're back at it and happy to be alive. Let's see. Overnight, what did the overnight do? The overnight... It's actually a little bit of a Sunday action. Then we had the overnight, the true overnight. So we just sort of went sideways down in this range. The overnight happened, I guess, so you're looking at European Open and everything, and then we traded up here and then just sort of slumped back down. And then since pit open, we just sort of spiked down a little bit and popped back up. As you can see, not much of a range. Got a little bit more range on these products here, but that's pretty typical. Yeah, this is kind of what you'd see on a Monday, to be honest. Just not a lot happening at the moment. So yeah, as far as announcements, not a lot. I'm not seeing a lot. We had factory orders that came in, or that are coming in about 6 minutes. Otherwise, there's nothing. I mean, you have a 3-month bill auction, 6-month bill auction that's at 8:30 Pacific time. So nothing really has been announced. You just have factory orders, which hasn't been a huge mover. That's coming out in about, like I said, 5 minutes or so. Let's see what else. Areas of interest. Kind of looking at a retest for the pit low here at 1.6 Otherwise, we're looking at a short here at the overnight high at 22.5. Got a bit of a profile step developing here. That's probably the first any sort of initiative action I've seen thus far as buying and selling at that level. It's not really actionable in my opinion. So we're just kind of watching and waiting at this point. Seems like we'll see after the announcement at 7 o'clock, but it seems like it's going to be kind of a slow day, which is pretty typical for a Monday. I'm still trying to wake up personally. So we will just sort of watch and see what happens. Again, pit low is looking for probably a double retest of that. A nice little double bottom. That might be a buying opportunity. And again, on the overnight high, but right now we're basically in the middle of that range. Just sort of sitting here waiting. And watching, which is a lot of trading. So I'm going to shut the mic off, and we will watch and wait in relative peace and harmony. Okay, so here we are down at the pit low. Been pretty decent pressure, selling pressure all the way down. We had like one or two little back ticks, but otherwise pretty good sizes all the way down. Pretty good stacking up on the offer. That's all just playing into the context here. So when we do get down to 17 or 16.5, I want to see some pretty good back and forth before even considering entering or engaging. It's just like 6,500 down, 1,600, 1,500 on the offer. And then immediately attacking back, down 16.5. So I thought I saw buyers stepping in there. They started to push back, similar to what's happening right now. I think we're going to need confluence of events here. The Ultra Bond, 30-year, 5-year, they all start pushing back at the same time. Got a pretty decent sized bid here that could be just spoofing. That's a pretty good size to come back at 2,000 with 3,500 up at the lows. Kind of lets you know that its sellers are still pretty serious at this level thus far. Getting a little bit more pushback. We just need people to kind of step up, recognize that buyers are present at this level and start piling on. We also need the ES to kind of sell down a little bit more to put some pressure on these guys over here to start buying it. Now 3,000, 4,000 down. If we don't get run over, we're getting run over. Okay, I was gonna say is if we don't get run over here, what we want to see is this level hold as ES pushes up higher, 2892 area, and then pushes back down. But yeah, this is just got crushed on that one.